Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to this class of KCET Solved 2020, the last part. Yes. So hope you have gone through the previous sessions, and if not, please do watch. Okay, I request you to subscribe if you have not done the subscribe the channel, share, like, and please do hit the like button. Okay, yes. And so we have already solved a few questions on this KCET 2020. So let's complete this paper in today's class. So myself, Clotilda Reshma Sequeira, I teach KCET in Unacademy, the India's largest learning platform. I'm a maths educator. I'll be taking plus classes as well as the special classes in KCET for KCET students, for whoever are writing 2021. Yes, so please do the follow-up in using the link which is given in the description box. You will get the regular updates. Okay, yes. So please do join me on Unacademy too. Yes, so there I will be taking up the special classes which are free for you all. So help me to join these special classes. Okay, so please do join and help and support me. Okay, so yes, before I start, I would request all to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Yes, I hope you will like it, and yes, click on the bell icon. Yes, so shall we start for today? Yes, so we are here to start. Yes, so we go to the first question of today's session. So we have solved 51 questions so far. So I'm going to complete the paper in this session. Yes, so stay tuned till the end. Yes, so we will solve. Yes, good evening, Amog, Anjali, Madan, welcome. Yes, so let's see the 52. So this is the plus course which I am taking, that comprehensive batch course. Okay. Yes. So here this month, till this month end, we have this plan at a reasonable rate where complete syllabus is covered. And this is for all the subjects PCMB. You can see me here. I take up maths in this comprehensive batch course. Yes. And over that we have different plans, and use my code Reshma Lobo 17. You will get extra 10% off on any of the plus courses which you can get in this Unacademy, I can say the India's largest learning platform, which is educating thousands and thousands of students. Okay, so this is the best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. Yes, so here we go with the first question of today, the 52, question number 52. Yes. So what is this question telling us? First, let us understand what is the question. Then I will discuss what concept, what few logics which I know, and the shortcut tricks I'm going to give you the logic. Okay. Yes. So the 52 question, this question is from the other day. Someone was asking me, ma'am, solve questions from differential equation. So this is the concept of differential equation. Okay, yes, so let's see how to solve the questions from differential equations. From this chapter, we have 2 to 3 questions which are appearing, okay, in the CET paper if you see. So let's see now, we have 3 questions back to back appearing from differential equation. So the request was there in the previous session when I've taken, ma'am, please solve differential equation question. So this is the question. Now we'll see how you are able to understand this. Okay. Yes. So what is it given? The curve passing through the point 1, 2, given that the slope of the tangent. So when you see this word, slope of the tangent, something should come to your mind. Slope of the tangent at any point x, y is given as 2x by y. And their question asked is not only that much. They've not only asked us who is the slope of the tangent that is given to us. They've asked us what is that curve? That curve forms which figure, whether it is a parabola or an ellipse or a hyperbola or a circle. Now, How do we solve? We will solve from the concept, from the contents what is given to us. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so let us come to the solution part. So the slope of the tangent means what? At any point it is. Slope of the tangent means dy by dx. Always remember that. Okay, so slope of the tangent means dy by dx. And what is that given to us? 2x by y. Remember, they have given the point x comma y. Suppose they had given us at 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 3, then in this dy by dx, I need to substitute. That will give me the slope. So now here I have slope equal to 2x by y. Now, I want which figure this is now, which figure. So, how to get that? I know separation, the variable separable method in differential equation. What is a variable separable method? Bring x and dx together, bring y and dy together. Okay. So, here when I cross multiply, I can get x and y terms together. So, therefore, I am getting 2x dx is equal to y dy. So what I have done here, I have separated x separate and y separate. So variables are separated. So now how to get rid of dx and dy? Who is the opposite of differentiation? Integration. So integrate both sides. So when you integrate, what is your answer here? 2 as it is. X, integral of x is x square by 2. Is equal to, what is integral of y? Y square by 2, here plus a constant c. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you are getting x square by 1. Now this y term, take it to the left side. So what is that you're going to get? Minus y square by 2 is equal to a constant c. And what is the hyperbola equation? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this 1 is a constant. So therefore we have this equation represents a hyperbola, which is the C option. Yes? Yes. Okay. So hope you have understood. Clear? Yes. Some have already got the answer. Well done, Amog. Yes. So we move to the next question. Let's see the next question. Hope this is over. We move to the next question. Look at this now. Now this is an interesting question. See, order degree is a definite question which will come for your board exam, the 20th question for 2 marks. But here you may get for 1 mark. Either the order will be asked or the degree will be asked. But there is one logic over here. Okay. There is one logic how to get the answer quickly. So now let me read the question and then let me tell you. This is also the concept of differential equation. Okay. Yes. So what is given here? The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating means you are getting rid of, by eliminating the arbitrary constants in the family of curves C1y is equal to C2 plus C3 whole into e power x plus C4 is. So you have to eliminate the arbitrary constants and tell me the order. How to get that? I have one simple logic for you. Okay, so what is this logic is? Yes, here we go for that simple logic. Now, what is given to us? C1y is equal to, which option? C? 4. No, not the answer. Okay, listen. So let me give you the idea. So we have C1y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e power x plus C4. Okay, now let us do some grouping. Okay, let us take the idea. So y is equal to, now tell me what is a to the power m into a to the power n. It is a to the power m plus n, right? So a power m plus n. Now look at this term, e power x plus C4. Can I write that as e power x into e power C4, where e power C4 is a constant? So all the constants I'm grouping together. Look how I'm doing it. So here it is C2 plus C3, this C1 you divide, C1, okay. So this into, here I can write e to the power C4, okay, e to the power C4, all the constants together into e power x. Look at this now. Now, this full entire bracket is a bracket of constants. So, can't I write this as y is equal to a into e power x, full constant as one constant. Now, what is the logic is, order of a differential equation is equal to number of arbitrary constant after you simplify. Okay, after simplifying. Now, what is your option? Tell me then. What is your option? So, now how many constants you find in this question? You find only one constant. So, what should be your order? Order is 1 here. So, D option satisfies, not the C option. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? Now, suppose you may think, what is another method? I have another method also. Suppose we have y here is equal to a into e power x. I have to get rid of that arbitrary constant a. So, how many times I have to differentiate? So, I have to differentiate one time because I have found one constant. So, dy by dx is equal to a into e power x. So, who is a from this? A is dy by dx whole divided by e power x or e power minus x. Now substitute. So y is equal to, here we have a means who? Dy by dx into e power minus x into e power x. So this gets cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to y. So this equation here is a differential equation without the constant. Okay. Yes. So therefore it is D option, which is equal to 1. I hope the idea is clear to you all. Yes. Clear? No, idea is clear? Yes. So we move on to the next question. Yes, we move on to the next question. Question number 54. Once again, differential equation. How to solve the general solution? Very simple question. Okay. So again, the differential equation concept. Let us see how we are going to solve this one. Okay. The general solution of differential equation x square dy minus 2xy dx is equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx is equal to. Now, what idea comes to my mind? I know when it is general equation, I should get some form. Either it should be dy by dx plus y into p is equal to q, or dx by dy I should get. So, but here in this question, look at the question here. Look at the question. You have the question x square dy minus 2xy dx is equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx. Can you see that dx is appearing in two places? My first step is bring them together. Bring that dx together. So what we will do? We will take minus 2xy to the right side. Okay. So therefore this will become x square dy is equal to 2xy plus x to the power 4 cos x whole into dx. Okay. So now, see, I want any of this form. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p is a function of x, q also function of x. So let us try whether we can do that. If I want only dy by dx, okay, so okay, my next step is what we will do, bring this dx this side and this x square to the right side. Okay, so therefore let us simplify. So dy by dx is equal to 2xy by x square plus x to the power 4 cos x by x square. Quickly simplify. What remains now? X and x cancels, 1 power remain. Here 2 power remain. So now tell me, can I write this in the form dy by dx? Here I want that y term along with dy by dx. So pull it to the left side. So it becomes minus 2 by x into y is equal to x square cos x. So now compare it in this form. It is of the form dy by dx plus p into y. So p is my minus 2 by x is equal to q. So once it is in this form, what is my next step? Next step is integrating factor. How we are finding the integrating factor? It is e power integral p dx. So therefore that is equal to e power integral. Who is p now? Minus 2 by x dx. Okay, yes. So therefore this is equal to e to the power minus 2, keep it as it is. What is 1 by x integral? It is log x. Okay, so you're getting minus 2 log x. Now I know this property of log. M log n. What is that equal to? Log n to the power m. So therefore it is e to the power log x to the power minus 2. E power log becomes 1. So x to the power minus 2, or we can write this as 1 by x to the power 2. This is my integrating factor. So once I have the integrating factor with me over, then my last step. So therefore, general solution. How do you write the general solution? It is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus a c. So substitute, and that is your answer. So therefore, this is equal to y into, who is the integrating factor? 1 by x square is equal to, what is q? Q is x square cos x into integrating factor is 1 by x square. So x square cancels, dx. What is integral of cos x? We have sin x, isn't it? So we have y by x square is equal to sin x plus c. Look which option satisfies. I don't have anywhere y by x square. So y is equal to, that means what should I do? Send that x square to the right side. So last step here, therefore y is equal to x square sin x plus c into x square. Which option satisfies? Yes. So the option satisfies is the D option. Okay. Option satisfies is the D option. Hope you have understood this. Is that clear? Yes? Hope the idea is clear. So this was about the differential equation concept. Clear? Yes, option D is the right option. Okay. Any doubt? Understood, right? We'll move on to the next question. Yes, so going to the next question, question number 55 is a question from integration, definite integral concept. And here we are arriving at the standard limit, okay? We are arriving at the standard form of the definite integral. I will tell you how to get the answer quickly. So this is a definite integral question. Okay, so how to solve this here is, we have 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now, wherever, understand this concept, whenever you have 1 plus x square, some idea should come to my mind. Take x as tan theta whenever it is, okay? So when 1 plus x square is there, take x is equal to tan theta. When when 1 minus x square is there, you have to take either sin theta or cos theta, according to the range. If you have minus and plus on the range, then only take sin theta. If both the range is positive, then go for cos theta. Okay? And x square minus 1, you're taking secant theta. So I found here 1 plus x square. So first preference give to tan theta. So what will happen when I substitute? If I take a substitution, I have to change the limits because it is definite integral question. This limits 0 and 1 are the limits of x. But if I'm changing the question to theta, I should get the theta limits too. Okay, so here differentiate. So dx is equal to tan theta derivative is secant square theta d theta. So when x is equal to 0, what is the theta is equal to? Tan 0. Tan 0 is also 0. When x is equal to 1, what is theta is equal to? Tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So getting this as pi by 4. Remember, please, whenever you are taking substitution in definite integral, please change the limit. Okay, sometimes we forget to change the limit and we get wrong. So what is this now? So this is 0 to 1 was there. So now it becomes 0 to pi by 4. So you have log of 1 plus x is what? Tan theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta into dx is nothing but secant square theta d theta. But tell me, what is this identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, it is not long. I am arriving at the standard result. Okay, that is why I said we are arriving at the standard result. Okay, for KCET, when you get such a question, you have to remember the standard result and write the answer. Got it? So 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So this secant square and secant square cancel. So you are left out with 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now what is the standard result here? You have to remember this. The answer is pi by 8 log 2. Because if it is a 4-mark question, then you can solve. That is only for board exam you are getting. But for KCET, you have to remember the standard result. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta is pi by 8 log 2, and that is the C option. Is that clear? Okay, sometimes direct question, only this much will be 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. So direct answer pi by 8 log 2. Okay, that lengthy procedure we can't do for CET here. Okay, no? Yes, we move on to the next question. 56. So what is this now here? What is the value of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? Once again, definite integral question. Okay, so definite integrals once again, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Now, I have a property, okay, so the answer here, I have a property a to b, just understand it, okay, this explanation looks little lengthy, but it is easy. So what is integral a to b f of x dx? This is equal to integral a to b f of add the limits minus x dx. This is a property which I am going to use here. So that is equal to, now the given question I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Call it equation 1. Now what we do, I use this property. So what does it change to? So I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I'll just tell you quickly what it should be. It should be upper limit, here we are getting pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So we're getting minus pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 cancels. Cos of minus theta is cos theta whole divided by 1 plus e power, also you're getting minus x because pi by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so what remained now? So therefore that is equal to I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos e power x. Here we're getting okay, so here, so I'll just simplify the denominator, 1 plus 1 by e power x. What will happen when we take the LCM? E power x plus 1 by e power x will move on to the numerator. So this becomes e power x cos x whole divided by e power x plus 1. Okay, done. So this is your second equation. Add the two equations, you will get the required answer. So 1 plus 2, you are getting 2i is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now look, denominator is same, no? E power x plus 1. So in the numerator, cos x is common, take it out. So you're getting 1 plus e power x. So 1 plus e power x gets cancelled. You are left out with just cos x, and you know the answer of cos x, the integral is sin x. Apply the limit. Okay, so you'll reach the answer. So first, so it is 2i is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus sine of minus pi by 2. What do you know here? So 2i is equal to sine 90 is 1. What is sine of minus theta? In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So it is minus sine theta. So minus, when it comes out, becomes sine pi by 2 once again. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore, you are getting the answer of the integral, which is equal to 1. And that is the B option. Okay. Yes. So we have one application questions of integral. Yes. 1 is the answer, Prasun. Yes. Okay. So we move on to the next question, 57. So this is nothing but the application of integrals. Okay, application of integral question. Yes. So look at this option and guess, take a guess. What is your answer? Prasun, Amog, do it. Yes. So what is it? The area of the region bounded by the line. One line is given, x-axis is given, and the ordinates, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 is given. I will help you to get the figure quickly. Okay, so what is it? Y is equal to 2x plus 1 is mentioned. Yes. So what will happen when you put x is equal to 0? Let us get all possible points. When x is 0, y is equal to 1. Next, when x is equal to minus 1, which those values are there, what is y is equal to? we are getting minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Next, when x is equal to 1, what is it you are getting? Y is equal to 3. Let us take one point in between minus 1 and plus 1. Here let us take as minus half. What is that? Y is equal to, you are getting a 0. So with this points, let me quickly draw the graph for you. So we have x-axis and the y-axis. Clear? Okay. So here it is 0, 1, 2. So I want here this point minus 1 by 2 and this point let me take as minus 1. So when x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 1. So therefore 1 point is here. So first point I have marked. When x is minus 1, y is also minus 1. So we have here minus 1. So we have one more point over here. When x is minus 1, y is also minus 1. Just draw the figure first. Okay. Yes. So we have this point here. Minus 1, minus 1. When x is 1, y is equal to 3. Suppose this is 2 and this is 3. So we have another point over here. So this point is 1, 3. And we have minus half. So therefore, this is the point. Okay. Yes. So we are having this line here. We are having this line which passes through these points. Okay. Yes. So now here we want this line. So line is drawn. This line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. X-axis. So this is your x-axis. And the ordinates x is equal to means how should be that line? Parallel to y-axis. So we are having one line which passes like this. Okay. So this line is x is equal to minus 1. Next we have x is equal to 1. Again we are having a line which is parallel to the y-axis. So this is a line which is x is equal to plus 1. So now, which is the region which you want? Look at the shaded region. So this is the region which I want. Okay. So now tell me, see this is nothing but a small triangle here. This is one triangle and here we have the big triangle. So let us name that. That would become easy for us. Okay. So suppose I give this as P, Q and R and this S and T. So we want now the area. So that is area of PQR triangle and the area of RST triangle. And use the simple primary formula. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Okay. So let us see now. So required area is area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle R, S and T. Okay, so therefore just concentrate on the small triangle PQR. What is that formula? Half into base. Base is half here. Okay, base is half. So here half, even the sign is minus, the length always we take positive into. What is the height here? Height is 1, no? This is 1. Okay, that is the height. So that is 1 plus. Now look at the bigger triangle. So what is it now? Half into. What is the base now? So this is our base. It is from here to here 1 plus half. 1 and half is how much? 3 by 2. Okay, so I have here 3 by 2 into, we have height. Height is 3, isn't it? Look at this. This is 3. Okay, height is 3. Okay, so what is it now? So I have 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So therefore this is 10 by 4 which is equal to 5 by 2 and this is my B option. Hope you have understood. Yes, is that clear? Yes. So quickly let us go to the next question. Yes, question number 58. So we have this question from the vectors concept. So what is it given to us? The two vectors I cap plus j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap represents AB and AC vectors. So quickly let me write this. So we have AB vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and AC vector is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, so what is asked of a triangle ABC? So let me draw the triangle which would be easier for me. So I have here A, B and C. What is asked? The length of the median through A. So here I'm drawing a median. Okay, so I need to find what is the length of this AD. Okay, so for this, I should know the vectors concept, when it will become a triangle. So if ABC has to become a triangle, then the three sides when I add should be a zero vector. Then only it becomes a triangle. So let me use that concept first. So that is AB plus BC plus CA. This has to become zero vector, only then I can call it as a triangle. Okay, so therefore, I know AB, I know AC, I want BC from this. So what is BC vector is equal to? It is AB, I can shift that side, CA also. So it is minus CA vector minus AB vector. So minus CA vector, I can change the direction and I can write here, this is equal to AC vector minus AB vector. Now, AC minus AB, okay, so you have this directly here. So what is your BC vector? BC vector is here, I'm getting 0, direct, 3 minus 1, 2, next we have 5 minus 1, 4. So I cap, J cap, K cap, I'm not writing. Okay. So BC, this full is 0 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 4 K cap. Okay. So what is BD? The median divides it into 2. So therefore BD vector is equal to divide by this 2. So you're getting 0 I cap plus J cap plus 2 K cap. Okay, now use the triangle law of vector addition. So what is the triangle law telling us? Okay, so through this we are getting the answer quickly. So the triangle law is telling us AB vector plus BD vector is nothing but AD vector. Okay, yes, so you know AB, you know BD, find the answer. So here it is 1, 1, 1 plus BD is 0, 1, 2. So what is this equal to? 1, 2, and 3. So that is AD vector, that is I cap, 1 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. But I want the length, so find its magnitude. So it is 1 plus 4 plus 9. How much is that? So it is root 14. Which option? C option is satisfied. Yes, I have 2 more questions. Let me complete that quickly. So have this next 59th question. So what is this 59th question telling us? The value of, so here we have from definite integral, value of minus half to half cos inverse x dx is equal to what? Okay, yes. So here I don't know the value of cos. Cos I know, cos inverse I don't know. So what we usually do, we multiply with 1 and take integration by parts. Okay, so here we have, so I take this as a first term and take this as a second term. So what is my answer here? First function into integral of the second function minus integral of, so here I'm applying the limits minus half to half minus integral of minus half to half. Okay, integral of the second into differentiation of the first. So this becomes minus of. So minus I brought out and wrote plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now, this part will become 0 when I take a substitution. 1 minus x square is equal to t. You are getting minus 2x dx is equal to dt. So therefore, when x is equal to minus half and when x is equal to half, you are getting t values both equal to 3 by 4. So whenever the limits are the same, the integral becomes 0. So you are left out only with this. So use the values, substitute the values. So what is that value you are going to get? First upper limit, half cos inverse half minus of. Okay, so minus of, you're getting plus here half into cos inverse of minus half. And what is cos inverse of minus x? It is pi minus. So here you're getting cos inverse. So it is pi minus cos inverse of half. Okay, so here it is half into cos inverse half is pi by 3 plus 1 by 2 into here you're getting cos. So it is pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. Okay, done. So this gets cancelled. So you are getting pi by 6, which is 30 plus pi by 3, which is here 60. So your answer is pi by 2 and it is A option. And the last question, is it pi? No, it is pi by 2. Got it? Because here you had to use cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. So it is pi minus pi by 3, which is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, get that answer quickly. Okay, the last question. Yeah, we have if A is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, what is a to the power 4? So before going to a to the power 4, this is a matrix question. So here we have, before going a to the power 4, let us solve a square. So a square is a into a, and let us understand what is our answer. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So therefore, what is this? Nothing but, we know the multiplication, no? So here you are getting 0, 0 plus 1. So you are getting 1. Then first row with the second column, you are getting all terms 0. First row with the third column is also 0. Second row, first column, you are getting 0. Second row, second column, 1. Second row, third column, 0. Third row, first column, 1 into 0. Hope you know the multiplication. So 0, 0 and 1. Which matrix is this you found? This is identity matrix. So therefore, what we want now? We want a to the power 4, isn't it? So a to the power 4 is a square into a square I can write. But a square answer, you got identity. So what is identity matrix into identity matrix? It is once again identity, and that is your A option. Okay, so I've completed this 2020 question paper. If you have not observed from the first question, please do watch from the first question. And yes, please like and share. Yes, and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon also. Okay, hope you have benefited from this session. Yes, thank you so much. I'll be back with the secrets of differentiation in my next YouTube class. Thank you.